Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are planning for October 4th through the 10th in my catch-all planner, which is the Beauty in Florals, and it is a classic size happy planner. I am going to be using the Big Color Story, and this is the mixed media mom, I believe, section of this. I really love the colors, and I thought I will use it. It's just very whimsical and beautiful, and I figured that would be kind of fun to have. So I'm gonna start with my sidebar and add this really pretty to-do list, so I can just do a brain dump right on there. And as I am looking for more stickers to add, I wanted to say thank you. If you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. And if you are brand new, welcome. I hope you like it here. And yes, this is a big size stickers, and I still use them in my classic happy planner. They don't necessarily fit in the boxes very well, but I really don't mind. It's a little different. It's not perfect. I don't follow the lines. I just do whatever I want. And I really love those two stickers. I mean, they're beautiful. So I'm gonna add another one with a lot of writing in the middle. And as you guys know, that as far as my catch-all, it is always so full of everything. I add tons and tons of stuff into this planner. I don't know why I'm like that, but I am definitely a list maker. Lists make me actually be productive, and that's exactly what I need. So, but aren't these quotes super fun? And this is so pretty and just really different. I mean, we haven't seen kind of fun layered things like this in a while. And yes, sometimes I will add quotes inside of my boxes, and I really don't mind doing those. I think that's kind of fun to do sometimes. I love the colors. You got this. And as you guys know me, I like my spreads to be pretty full, and this is the week that we're officially moving into the new house. Finally, it's been like over 3 months of construction and remodeling and doing all of that. So finally, it's happening. And I can't show you guys my craft room once I'm done organizing that. So super excited. I'm gonna add a few more things to this plan with me, because as you guys know, you know how there's certain people, when you see their spread, you know it's them. Like for me, when I see Planet Alley's spreads, she has a certain style with clear stickers and florals. Planning with Tombow, especially her after the pen ones, they're full of colorful writings with like different fonts, so I know that's hers. So every single planner has a style. It's kind of fun to see how every single person can use the same stickers, and everything just looks completely different based on their planning style. So I think I finally developed my style pretty well, and how I like my plan with me's and my planner to look. So I'm slowly getting there, but in a very short while, once I start living in my new house, I am going to be making more and more and printing more and more of my own stickers. And so I think that's also very fun, and especially because no one else has has the same ideas as you, right? So your stickers, even though, like I said, it's the same book, it will look completely different than your friends or somebody on social media. So I'm very, very curious and excited to start using those. I'm gonna start making some check marks, and I'm just using the SEPA fine liners. They are down in my descriptions, and if you're interested, they're extremely affordable and beautiful, beautiful fine liners. I really like using them. So I'm adding a really dark blue dots to add to this spread, and I think they look great. This is where I can write stuff that I need to do. And I'm alternating them so this way it can bring in even more of the colors. So I'm mostly doing these purples and these blues, and then the oranges are kind of in between. So that's exactly what I'm trying to incorporate here. So I'm gonna add that dark pink, almost purple-like. Yeah, that's a little too bright. I want more purple, less pink. I want almost like this beautiful plumish color. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just adding a few of those dots all over the place so I can go ahead and have lots of checklists. Like I said, this will be a busy, busy week, but I'm so, so very excited about it. Those busy weeks make me super happy. Especially during the week, I have always so much to do. I'm not sure how or why, and I'm not sure if everybody is the same way as I am, but there's always so much to do. Okay, that's it. I'm going to leave this alone. I hope you guys had fun with me, and if you did,